Alright, good evening YouTubers and scale modeling community. This is Cliff with GI Mechanics Scale Modeling. So here's a little tip. I've been working on this plated tanker. I've been making some progress with that. So I wanted to strip the chrome off the wheels. So here's a little bit of a tip. 409 oven cleaner. Works really great. Bought this less than $3 a can. You need a solo cup. Alright. Long pair of tweezers, stainless steel. So they were put in. Now, where'd my little tissue go? So these rings were put in all chrome like, which I just threw them all in there and thought about, well shoot, I should make a video out of this. So alright, they've only been in there for about maybe 40 minutes. I mean, it needs just a little bit more cleanup, but other than that, that oven cleaner does a really good job of stripping chrome. So, really all you need, like I said, is solo cup, heavy strength oven cleaner, which got to be the yellow top. Like I said, I found this. It's 409 brand, which is a pretty good brand. So, and basically some stainless steel tweezers. So you can sit there, mix it up like you're mixing a cocktail. So there's that. All right, more content coming the way. Working on getting it up as we speak. Yeah. So here's yeah, I guess Cliff's model tip for today. Alright, take care. See you later. Keep on modeling.